Hi everyone, this is Sarah and welcome to Salmond. Today I'll be making these gorgeous candles using Dollar Tree LEDs and alcohol inks. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber really helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. And if you'd like to see more of what I do, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or take a look at my blog. The links are in the description below. Hi guys, it's Sarah. Today I am doing an alcohol ink tutorial on Dollar Tree candles. I have some here, and this is in the true spirit of using what you have. I did order a case of these some time back, so I have quite a few Dollar Tree candles I can work with, and I absolutely love alcohol inks. I haven't used a lot of them in my tutorials in the past, but I have a ton of things laying around my craft room that I am definitely going to be using more. And so today we are just making some decorated candles using the Dollar Tree inks. And there's a lot of methods you can use on these with alcohol inks. This is just one that I just wanted kind of a marbled effect on my candles. So that's what we're going to be experimenting with. Okay, so the first color I'm using, this is an old bottle of Adirondack ink I had that is in denim. And these candles are all going to be in blues. So the first thing I'm going to do, be sure everything is on my left since I'm left-handed, just kind of run the alcohol ink around the base of the candle here, and then I'm using some compressed air, and I'm just blowing this around. And as you can see, it's kind of leaving streaks where the compressed air is hitting it. That is a neat effect in itself, but not necessarily quite what I'm looking for today. So as we move on through the steps, you will see other things that I'm going to do. Right, and now I'm using another ink, and this is called Stonewashed. Okay, and again, I'm just going to kind of bring it around and start blowing it out with the compressed air. And as you can see, it's a very messy process, so if you have gloves, go ahead and use them by all means. I always forget to put gloves on. I always forget to put my apron on when I'm working. I've ruined more shirts and honestly more pants working in the craft room because I've forgotten to dress for the craft. Okay. I'm just going to layer, let's see, let's try a little bit of cloudy blue. Now all these colors you can see have just a little bit of a gray tint to them. I'm trying to stay within the color family a little bit. But you can absolutely do whatever you want to do. Use whatever colors you want to use. I'm just going to come up here and kind of fill in. All right, and let's just go a little bit brighter with this sailboat blue. I love this color. It is so pretty. And Tim Holtz has now put out a color, I believe it's called indigo blue. I haven't picked up any of that yet. I think it's gorgeous though, from what I've seen of it online. It's darker than the sailboat blue. Okay. You absolutely don't have to blow all of these out like I'm doing. You can also, if you don't have any of the compressed air, you can use a straw and just blow through it to get your colors to move around. All right, let's see. Let's go for a little bit more of the stone washed. So we move up the candle a bit here. Again, I'm using just little short bursts of air here. As you can see, where the colors run together, they kind of mix. Because wherever the alcohol ink hits, it will reliquify those other colors. So they do blend together for a really neat appearance. Okay. Right now I have these new pearls that Adirondack came out with. So we're going to try some of these pearlized colors, see how these look on here. Okay. These look like they're probably just a little bit thicker. They don't streak quite as much when you put them on, which is perfectly okay. Just go in and fill in some more of these spots. Now, I don't know if you can see the pearlizing that's going on here at all. It's kind of subtle, but it's really cool. And then I have, I thought one more color. Here we go. This is called Tranquil. It's another pearlized alcohol ink. And we're going to try some of this and see what happens. Ooh, that's a pretty color too. Look at that. Let's try a little bit of this up here at the top. Okay, so there we go. That candle is turning out really cool so far. I do want to try, I have some of these piñata colors. These are alcohol inks as well. We're going to try some of the silver. Let's put a little bit up there. Okay, we're just going to keep working around. If few spots of silver in here. As you can see, it's thicker, so it doesn't move around quite the way that the Adirondack inks are moving around. That's okay. I'm not real worried about that. Go ahead and kind of scooch that around there. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol. This is a 91%. I also have a bottle that has just the regular alcohol that you normally pick up. I forget what the percentage is on that right now. And I'm just going to spray this on here. You can see it's starting to move the inks around a little bit. So then we're going to go back in and blow this a little bit more with the compressed air, or again, you can use a straw. Okay, as you can see, that just kind of gives it a smoother, more marbled finish. You don't have all those sharp edges that you were kind of getting when you were just blowing it earlier like this. So I'm just going to go work this around a little bit. Alright, and there we go. That is that finished candle. You can see it's just got kind of the different colors running through it. I think I want to move this silver around a little bit more. Let's go ahead and add a couple other colors in there. Alright, there we go. That is how that candle looks. I absolutely love the way that came out. It looks marbled, and I love the colors, the different blues and the silvers together. So that is all there is to that, to giving these candles the marbled look. If you don't have alcohol inks, you can use permanent markers, color a design onto the candles, spray it down with the alcohol, and then you can move it around that way. And I will do a tutorial showing that in a little bit later, but that is also another option you have if you don't have the alcohol inks available to you. Alright, so that's it for today. Quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back tomorrow with another video for you. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.